I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start with essentials. Register on Trade Santa, verify your email, and prepare an exchange API key. Once done, add the API key into Trade Santa and confirm permissions. Read and trade only, never withdraw. Next, fund your exchange spot wallet with the base coin you plan to trade. Make it enough for 1 to 3 sample trades so you can test settings without high exposure. While you set this up, make sure your two-factor authentication is active on both platforms to secure access. You now configure the bot strategy, pick long or short, or build a custom template that matches market direction. Explain why each parameter matters. Grid size controls trade spacing. Take profit sets automatic exits. Safety orders increase averaging capacity. Set max active safety orders to limit risk and choose a sensible take profit like 0.52% depending on volatility. Once configured, run the built-in backtest on recent 7 to 30-day data and make small. You deploy the bot with a conservative stake and enable stop loss or manual exit rules to protect capital. Then monitor performance closely for the first 24 to 72 hours. Watch PNL, order fills, and API connection status. This tells you whether parameters need tuning. If something goes wrong, first verify API permissions and confirm adequate balance on the exchange, then review Trade Santa bot logs for errors. If the bot misbehaves, pause it, adjust grid spacing or safety order size, and redeploy after a short test.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.